Hello, my name is Scott with Games in a Flash, and I'm going to show you a quick method of customizing games using Clipart. Now, when you license a game bundle from Games in a Flash, we send you about 200 free Clipart images. They're in Flash format, and they're ready to go, and some of them are shown here. So if you use Clipart that you bought, or if you use our Clipart, this is just a quick way that you can customize games, and I'm going to show you some different methods and how easy it is and how many games you can do that with. Okay, so this is a screen that shows you all the different categories of art that we send you when you do bundle at Games in a Flash. I'm going to open up the food art. Let's say you were going to make a matching game, which I've got open here as you can see, using Clipart. Let's say you were going to do a game on health or healthy foods or something like that, and you wanted to use this Clipart. You can easily change the art in the game to do that. What I've done is I've copied this apple, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to bring it in to the matching game. Now I've already edited into the movie clip with the art. You can look at that in other tutorials on how to do that. And I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to paste in the new art, and then I'm just sizing it. Might need to zoom in maybe in order to do that. Get in a little closer and zoom that puppy in, and then just center it in position, and then boom, I'm ready to go. And so I can just keep doing that for the rest of the images, and it's really that easy, just swapping out images. You just go into the library and you just edit all the different movie clips. I'm just showing you here real quick. You can go in and you can edit those and make new, replace the art that is in the game that we send you with Clipart. And that really is something that you can do with a lot of art. So if you didn't want to use the art that comes with our game bundles, you can come over to a site like iStockPhoto, and they have large collections of art. Now the thing that you want to do that will save you money and time is, say again, you're looking for vegetables, you type in their search engine. What I've done is I've typed in vegetables, but I chose illustrations. And the reason why you want to choose illustrations is generally you can get these collections of art instead of having to buy. So for instance, you wouldn't want to do this and get a tomato and then only get individual images. You can, what you're looking for is bundles, and the more the better. Like here's a bundle, for instance. Here's a bundle, for instance, and they're calling it a food border, but actually it's a vector image, so you can go in and isolate out all those different images, and you can use those each individually for game pieces in the game. So you're looking for stuff like that. Here, look at this. This has a bunch of different images in it also, and so you can just look for something with a lot of images in it instead of buying them one at a time, and get them pretty affordably. And also really nice quality. You can choose the style you want. Look, there's silhouettes, that's kind of line art. And also, if you're wanting to change like the opening part of the screen, here's for instance a character. You can replace the character art and stuff like that. And so coming to a site like iStockPhoto is quick and easy. There's a bunch of other ones. There's Shutterstock, there's Crastock, which is CRE stock. Those are all good sites to get clip art, and they're very affordable and very easy, and you can get bundles like this, especially if you go for the illustration section, which is all vector images, which works great with Flash anyways. Okay, so this technique works with a lot of our games. Here's a few examples. Here's a swap a smiley game. You can swap out the smileys. We also have a similar game, Dino Drop and Fruity Flip Flop. Again, you can swap out the images with clip art very easily. Here is our Which One game. You can swap out the images in here for different clip art images. You can, our line matching game, you can swap out the images. This is our circular reasoning game. You can replace out the circular things with different images for something else that you want. Here's our Mahjong game. It's got animal images in it. You can replace, food. You can have whatever, different categories. You can have vegetables. You can have fruits. You can have pictures of people. Whatever you want in there. And here's our sorting game. You can swap out you can sort different things. Again, they can be fruits and vegetables. They can be whatever kind of subject matter that you want it to be. To get art, and you can swap that in. Here's our face in the crowd. You can swap out different things. It doesn't have to be faces that they're trying to recognize. It could be different types of whatever your subject is. Maybe you're selling house plants, or you can change that. You can swap out the images for a shooting game. You don't have to shoot ducks. You can shoot what other kinds of images. Let's say you wanted to have someone identify what's healthy and not healthy. You can have them shoot the good stuff or shoot the bad stuff. Here's our matching game. It can be whatever you want. Like I said, you can match any kind of images like I was showing you. And here's our number challenge game. You can swap out the little shapes for something else to match your theme. And these are just 10 examples. There's a bunch of other games that you can do this with, and this is a very simple and easy way to customize the games in an affordable way and make it fit better with the theme or the subject of your site. As I mentioned, the game bundles come with the clip art that I showed you at the beginning of this video. You can go to the link here if you want to, or if you're on YouTube, you can go to the link that's right below this video to go to one of our bundles. On the page, when you see the bundle, there'll actually be links for the 5-game and the 10-game bundle, which you may want instead. Thanks, and have fun customizing games.